Coronavirus nowadays it is a very trending topic. A study on smart monitoring and controlling of pandemic with smart technology for the techno and human driven approaches. Recently I studied this topic. Coronavirus disease is an infectious virus which when spread a large volume of population, the COVID-19 virus that spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person cough or sneezes. It is easily affected on the respiratory, cardiovascular, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease and cancer. Development of healthcare support systems using cloud computing is an amazing and effective solution with the benefits of better quality of service, reduced costs and flexibility. According to respected authors proposed by the Rajendra Sadhu, Harshminder K. Gill, Sandeep K. Sood, they were given some instructions in their publications, that is the smart monitoring and controlling of pandemic influenza, H1N1 using social network analysis and computing and smart technologies for fighting pandemics. The techno and human driven by respected authors Ramakrishna Reddy Kumita approaches in controlling the virus transmission is an effective cloud computing architecture and very useful, which predicts not only COVID but also it predicts H1N1 and swine flu, pandemic influenza and infected patients and provides preventions to control infection rates. Here the algorithm the design, that is input of a pandemic influenza and symptoms, revised category of the infection begin if login of pandemic influenza, record of the symptoms as per the desired date and decision trees recorded in the situations, and it can store the database. Later it can give the outbreak of the situations. In the previous sections the proposed architecture worked in the individual level. In this section spreading of infection community of specifications is there. So measures and address at the higher level of abstraction. Outbreak prevention is effort to represent H1N1 outbreak current state. Network analysis graph is proposed which represents each individual as a node, and edges are formed between users who are contact with each other using this technique. The infected patients and their connections with their infected or uninfected user can be depicted effectively. Here 4 types of categories are divisible. One is category A, that is for 24 to for the 24 hours to 48 hours, and category B 12 hours, and category B 2 10 hours, and category C 6 hours. Unidentified category is defined by the dark green, and category A light green, and category B was orange green, and category B to brown, and category C is green. Governments and healthcare agencies to stop the outbreak at the lowest possible level. It will also provide particular areas and individual to focus for government healthcare agencies. Here the suggestions were given. The first one is the avoid contact with infected people, and second one is the take vaccines. The vaccines and antiviral drugs, they do not cure the flu but help you to get rid of the morbidity and the mortality. Third one, the 4 antiviral drugs are approved: Oseltamivir, Zenamivir, Amantadine and Ramantadine. If you are developing symptoms indicating flu, isolation must be provided from other people of the family or the public transport and workplaces. Cover mouth and nose while sneeze and cough with tissue, and bin the tissue after the one use. Wash hands frequently with the soap and hot water, or use alcohol based hand sanitizer. Keep yourself up to date with the latest information on the television, internet, newspapers and radios that how fast flu is spreading and how you can protect yourself and your family from the flu. What precautions and treatment to be taken. Here the application was generated in this here how the hospitals and government are taking the data. I am giving that here the one of the sample, that is a patient registration, room allocation, employment registration, and book appointment and patient bill here. The first one is the administrator the login. Then after he can register the form with a patient ID. After he can give that the appointment, and then after he can give that the room allocation later, and finally they can give that the bill system. So here the now I am giving that the graph generation, the graph generation generating here, that is import numpy as np, import pandas as pd. The pandas is one of the package, and import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, data equal to panda dot read underscore csv. csv is a comma separator value, that is Excel sheet. I am getting that the total entire of the patient's data in Kaggle data sets. Y equal to data dot allocation 61 to 1 values like that are red zone, yellow zone, red zone, and danger zone are data are taken from the CSV, and that is representing to the data. According to the data, it can use the bar specific bars representation of the graph. Okay, that is the thing. Here the graph will be like this. Here when it is confirmed or recovered or deceased, it represents according to the CSV data. Thank you.